from uni, and actually a spontaneous plan has popped up. A friend of mine invited me to go to this art festival today, although it's running for a whole week from the 23rd of January to the 1st of February. So it's called the Sikka Art and Design Festival, and it's in this historic area. Okay, I have to really get ready super quickly, and then I'm gonna get going. I'm about to leave the house. I didn't really change anything. All I did was I have a bit more eyeshadow on my eyes, and then obviously outfit is the same. I also added some more jewelry. Hello guys, I'm here with Disha. It's gonna be so much fun, I'm so excited. So for food, for our quite a few options, what I ended up going for was chicken and waffles. The place that I got the chicken waffles at was called Peculiar Palate. I was pleasantly surprised. Honestly, so many options. Lots and lots of coffee stands. What I ended up going for was a hot chocolate. Because actually it does get kind of chilly here in Dubai in the evenings. Definitely hit the spot. One thing we just can't forget about, of course, is the live music.
حتى لو هزعل شوية بكرة تضحك ليا تاني كل حاجة ضايعة راجعة كل جرح وليه نهاية النهاردة نبكي دمعة بكرة نفرح دي الحكاية في قلوب أوقات تخن في قلوب غيرها غلابة احنا مش عايشين في جنة بس برضو مش في غابة كل حاجة ضايعة راجعة كل جرح وليه نهاية النهاردة نبكي دمعة بكرة نفرح دي الحكاية في قلوب أوقات تخن في قلوب غيرها غلابة احنا مش عايشين في جنة بس برضو مش في غابة يا لا 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 يا لا 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 يا لا 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 يا لا
Hey guys, so I just came back. I loved all of the exhibitions, but I do have a few standout favorites which left their mark on me. The first one I would like to share is an exhibition by Helene Olive. Helene Olive is a French visual artist and ceramist. This exhibition was titled Before Reason, which explored how before the age of 7, children are free from rational frameworks. Their thinking is liberated, intuitive, and inventive. Over 153 children participated in the making of this exhibition. The exhibition consists of the photographs of the eyes of all 153 children, and there was also an audio component, and you can actually listen to it if you follow the link in the description. This one was really moving to me. So it explored how children and adults may answer certain questions. What does it mean to be reasonable? What does tomorrow mean to you? What will you do when you grow up? And one thing that really moved me during this was, what will you do when you grow up? And as a child, many of us think, I want to be an astronaut, and then we grow up and we're not astronauts or firemen or whatever we imagined as children, and that definitely really moved me. There's something so beautiful about the way that children are just so free and intuitive. Yeah, I highly encourage you to listen to it. I think this was my favorite exhibition of the ones I saw. My next favorite exhibition explored the similarities between the human body and nature. For example, our fingerprints are just like the rings of a tree, or our veins are like the roots of a tree. And I think as humans we often forget that we are part of nature. This is kind of just a reminder we are part of it and we have to cherish it. Next up is a piece by Naveen Abu Samra. She has Polish roots, which I kind of wanted over because of course I am Polish, and her piece was composed of used tea bags. And the beauty of it was obviously tea is quite a huge component of cultures globally. for Polish people, it's quite known, I feel, that we love our tea. Every Polish household has like 10, 20 different types of teas, and it's a big part of culture globally. It's a means of connection, and this piece represented stillness that occurs in these moments when we drink tea. Each sort of tea bag represents a person and a moment in time. She used these beautiful gold details as well. Now, a piece that Aisha really liked was by Mayam Riyami, and this was a visual piece that composed of chairs and fabric floating above them, and it represented gap within families that results from age gaps. One thing that really stuck out to Aisha was that the fabric above was said to represent past generations watching over the family. And then the next exhibition that was intriguing for sure was banana bread, and it was just a book composing kind of how to make banana bread. And actually what I got from this was this little sort of postcard, and there is a recipe on here which I have to make eventually. Yeah, so that one is just very intriguing to me. So many other incredible exhibitions that I didn't get the chance to talk about. Some things unfortunately I didn't get to see. You could also participate in workshops, which I did not get to do unfortunately. Fun fact is that this actually took place at a sort of museum site, a historical site, which is so rich with history and culture. It sort of feels like you could have stepped back in time. I highly encourage you to go. Otherwise, as always, next year, but I highly recommend going. It's a really thought-provoking and emotional exhibition, so definitely go.